Good morning, class. Now, today I am going to teach you English literature in that chapter 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Now, today I am going to start with the explanation of chapter 5, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Now, in this, first of all, take out your English literature books and open to page number 31. Chapter 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. In this is a chapter. In this, Amachi is the grandmother. In Malayalam, it is grandmother is being said Amachi. Amachi's brilliant traps. Amachi's brilliant ideas. Traps are the way to catch something. So, it's the grandmother in this have given very good ideas to find out the small snacks, we can say, that is the anapams. Anapams in Malayalam, a small snack in Malayalam is being said to as anapams. So it's a story about this, how grandmother have laid ideas, given ideas of trapping, of catching the anapams, that who have stolen them to his grandson Suraj. Now let us begin with the explanation of this story, that in chapter 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps from our books. As I have told you that today we are going to start with the explanation of chapter 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. That is on page number 31. Now, today I am going to explain you about Amachi's Brilliant Traps. It is a story in Malayalam. Amachi in Malayalam is being referred to as grandmother. We say na grandmother, but in Malayalam language it is being said Amachis. Brilliant traps. Traps are the ways when you lay to catch something. So Amachi's grandmother's brilliant traps, brilliant ideas. Now let us begin with the explanation of this story. Amachi's makes yummy, tasty appams, but they strangely go missing. Who's stealing them? Read this story to find out. We have been in this, what I want to tell you, this line is saying that Amachi means grandmother, and appams means it is a small round type of a snack. It's a small round of a snacks. Grandmother makes those snacks, but someone has stolen them and they have been missing. And they were missing. The appams which grandmother had made have been gone missing. So now let us read this about in this story, that where have the appams been gone missing? Oh no, the anapams have disappeared, said Amachi. The appams have been gone missing. They were not able to find that anapams. Someone must have stolen them, said Suraj. Suraj said that someone had stolen them. But who? Asked Amachi. But who have stolen them? Asked grandmother. It could have been Penny, said Suraj. It could have been Penny. Suraj said this. Or maybe it was that civet from Arctic. Civet is a wild type of a cat, and Arctic is in the room height. When we see below the roof building, there comes a cat comes from there, na? Or maybe it may be civet from that Arctic. The cat might have come from that roof below the house, and the cat might have stolen the appams. Said Amachi. Perhaps. Amachi said, who have stolen it? Or do you think Apachin? Apachin is the grandfather. Amachi is the grandmother. In Malayalam, Apachin is the grandfather. took them? Asked Suraj. Or grandfather have taken them? There's the only way to find out, said Amachi. Amachi said, I can find out with some ways that who have stolen the Amapams. We must lay 3 brilliant traps. We must lay 3 brilliant traps. Traps, Jal. So grandmother said that we will lay 3 brilliant traps to find out the Anapams. First we find more Anapams. Aren't they all gone? First we will find more Anapams, and I don't think that all must have gone. Asked Suraj. No, I hid some in the kitchen for emergencies. Amachi said. Suraj said that I have hidden some of them in the kitchen too, said Amachi. Amachi's grandmother, Suraj is asking grandmother that aren't they all gone? Suraj is asking that all the Anapams must have not gone. And then Amachi said that I have kept some of the Anapams in the kitchen for an emergency. Now turn to page number 32. Our first trap is for civet. Civet is the wildcat animal. Our first trap is for the civet only. When he comes through the window, when he will enter through the window, he will fall right into this basket. When he will enter the window, he will fall in this basket. His weight will make the lid fall shut automatically. If he will fall in this basket, then the cat weight might be more, and the weight of the cat will make the lid fall shut automatically. Amazing, said Suraj. Suraj said, it's the amazing idea, grandmother. This one is for Penny. If she tries to eat the Anapam, she will be instantly trapped under this bucket. And this one is for Penny. If she will try to eat the Anapam, she will be instantly trapped under this bucket. And this hidden camera will catch Apachan red-handed. Apachan is the grandfather, and under this hidden camera, Apachan will be caught red-handed, said Amachi. If he lifts the Anapam off the plate, this string will slip out. If he will try to lift up, that means pull up the plate, the string will slip automatically and trigger the camera's shutter. Trigger is a small device. We say in the gun there is a trigger. There is a spring which release something. So that's a trigger. The trigger of the camera will shut. Genius, said Suraj. Suraj said that your ideas are just genius. And now we wait. An hours passed. Amachi was in her rocking chair reading her favorite science book when Suraj came running. An hour has just passed and Amachi was in her rocking chair reading her favorite science book, and Suraj just came running to her grandmother. Amachi, come and look. The traps have been sprung. Amachis, just come with me and look. The traps which we have laid have been sprung. That means completely they have got to the idea. Now today we will read till here. Now what you all have to do, I hope you all have got this chapter which we have, the topic which we have read today. Now Homework for you all is to just go through this chapter, and if you have any doubt or any queries regarding this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you.